Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we take an exclusive look at the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue, Ferrari's first ever SUV, blending high-performance engineering with luxury and practicality. Let's explore what makes it truly special. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue is a groundbreaking SUV that combines Ferrari's racing DNA with everyday usability. Under the hood, it boasts a naturally aspirated 6.5L V12 engine that delivers an astonishing 715 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse enables the Purosangue to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, ensuring that it remains true to Ferrari's high-performance legacy. At the front, the Purosangue features a sculpted hood with aggressive air vents, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The sleek LED headlights are seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, creating a futuristic and intimidating presence. The lower bumper is designed for optimal airflow, contributing to both performance and cooling efficiency. From the side, the Purosangue maintains the elegance of a Grand Tourer while embracing the practicality of an SUV. The muscular fenders house massive 22-inch front and 23-inch rear alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires for maximum grip. The frameless side glass adds a sleek, coupe-like appearance, while the rear-hinged suicide doors provide a unique and dramatic entry experience. At the back, the design remains unmistakably Ferrari. The slim LED taillights, sculpted rear bumper, and quad exhaust tips reinforce its sporty identity. A subtle roof spoiler enhances downforce, while the electronically controlled diffuser improves aerodynamics at high speeds. Even as an SUV, the Purosangue stays true to Ferrari's signature styling and performance heritage. Inside, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue offers an exquisite blend of luxury and advanced technology. The dashboard is wrapped in premium materials like leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara, reflecting Ferrari's commitment to craftsmanship. A massive 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a separate passenger side display adds an interactive element for co-pilots. The side doors are beautifully designed, featuring soft close mechanisms and premium leather trims. The gear selector is inspired by Ferrari's F1 heritage, with a sleek metal finish and a refined feel. The start button is located directly on the steering wheel, reinforcing the brand's motorsport-inspired ergonomics. The steering wheel itself is a masterpiece, integrating Ferrari's signature Manettino dial, paddle shifters, and multifunction controls. The front seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. In the rear, Ferrari has provided individual bucket seats with a floating center console, maintaining a sporty yet luxurious environment. Despite being a performance-focused SUV, the Purosangue doesn't sacrifice practicality. The rear seats offer generous legroom, and the innovative rear hinge doors allow for easier access. The cargo space is surprisingly accommodating, making it the most versatile Ferrari ever built. Whether for long road trips or high-speed adventures, the Purosangue delivers an unmatched blend of functionality and performance. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue starts at approximately $400,000, making it one of the most exclusive SUVs on the market. With its breathtaking performance, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, it justifies its premium price tag. This isn't just an SUV, it's a Ferrari in every sense. The Ferrari Purosangue redefines what an SUV can be, blending Ferrari's legendary performance with the versatility of a luxury crossover, truly one of a kind. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive automotive content here on Road Ready Review.